Come now. Don't make that face. You know person not gonna know that the boss would have called him for work today. Me know you have been go. But even Percy has your own life that he had to take care of. We can't ask him to just drop everything like that. So you could just sit there with your face all push up and thing for the whole day? Well, you could do that, but also, me the here and me wait for a long time just to spend some time with you, especially since me have go back to work in a few weeks. But if you want just sit there instead, I didn't think so. Now come here and fix your face. I'm still plenty tired from the plane ride yesterday, but we could do something here at home. Anything. Just as long as we get to spend time with the cutie. You serious? Me not going back on what me say. You hiding any stuff for this self-care day? So that is why you've been spending money pan when me been send it for you. If you been want product and thing, then I could have sent it for you. Stuff down here get really expensive as of late. Hey, don't talk so. My cutie is what everything me could get them. You just need to tell me what you want me to get. Yes. Even if it's just the book them that you just read through so. Me only a joke. But be careful how you just spend money. Things been rough or recent around here, and we don't want people get the wrong idea and come thief from you. Better safe than sorry, cutie. Alright. Where the stuff them there? And how you off you start? What you mean? Oh? So you can give me a nice little treat then. And I go fight you on that. But what if me want treat you nice too? Then how about we both get a nice time in and you let me take care of you too? You just do plenty around here while me now on the island. You want somebody to take care of you too, you know. And why can't be me? So, I just pay for the place, but you and Bossy just take care of it. Dad, don't tell me why you don't get free rest with me. Cutie, you know how to stress yourself so. This house belongs to all of us. You know how to work yourself to stay. How you come silly so? I know Percy not gonna tell you any of them things there that you spout. You know how worry about all that. I tell you that I'm gonna take care of all you. And that is what I'm going to do. Even when you're thinking I need it. So, what we going to do? That sound good to me. Where the nail polish them there? Alright. What color you want? Me go let you decide what color you want give me. How many of them here you have? You take them for Pikachu? For real? And I been no pussy when I like them thing, eh? That makes sense. How much all you just do this? I'm glad to see both of you take care of each other. So, how you to start all of this? Nail polish first? Alright then. You want go or you want paint mine first? is nail polish cutie. Me not an idiot. Not all the time. Alright. Then me go start with them toenail first. Them nail polish does smell real good sometime. When I go drink it, don't worry. Now give me a feed them. Get your mind out the gutter and let me get it started. So, what are you gonna do while me not been around? That's nice. So, you go get done with them classes soon. Yeah, this stupid. But you just need to get your registration to go abroad. America does get finicky about us coming up there for work. They want to see all kind of thing, and if you're not having any of it, then they go send you back. You can't shift and go flying as a bird. They go take too long. And if the hunter them find you, then they're not good like that. Hunter. They like the catcher here? They just act like magic police hunting. Yeah, they're just so stupid too. It just make me feel bad for the American them. Nah. Me don't really see them much while me a walk. Good thing too. The job up there go good. They just have me fly all over the place and deliver things for people. Me not go too far most of the time. It's just around the town for the usual thing. But sometimes they just ask me if you carry a package and deliver a letter and thing. Me not just a mailman. Otherwise, they not go pay me the way they do. What you have to do after the nail polish? Ah, so the color. Which one you are? Alright then. Like me when I say, it's not just random thing then. They just ask me if you carry all kind of thing around. I can't tell you that. It's not illegal. My contractor say me can't talk about it. It is like real stupid sometimes, you know. They just deal with some big people a lot of the time, so me can't tell people what me just carry for them. They promise me not send you any drug money. Swear on me soul. Oh, so if me been a drug dealer, you're not gonna have a problem with that. You just read too much of them damn book there. No, I just send you the book them. So, I know exactly what you read. And not just the horror book you keep around. Play the fool. I know better than that. I just read through some of them smart book you just ask for. I'm not gonna tell you that. But, don't pretend with me like you're innocent. We're done with the color. Alright then. We go let that cool for now. So, how things between you and Percy are go then? Really? So nothing a change? So you not been telling me you like it? Interesting. Oh, you've been live with each other for 6 months now and you still say nothing? You clearly know why he. He not gonna stay single forever, you know. The man have a life too. He already a game himself together. It not gonna be too long before you start to see people again, you know. Me a serious cutie. If you're not careful, then someone else go take him from you. And if you wait this long, then you never know what you go do about it. Me and he been best friends since small cutie. I know that man. He love you bad. We both know why he not go ask you first. The man does get so stuck in your own head sometime. I just wonder how he does keep him job when he always a lock off from people like that. No, trust me. You ready if you start talk with people? Don't let you fool you. Everybody does always go after the shark them. And sooner or later, you can take someone else on. Now try if you worry a cutie. Me tell you what your deal is. You can't wait around forever. And I always go be around. And I just appreciate that he does stay with you. But Percy is flighty when it comes to other people. If you don't think that you belong with other folks, then he go up and make you way. Don't worry. I plan to talk to him about it as well too. Oh, you're ridiculous until. Cutie. Me know you're not blind. The man love you. In no question. Anyway, you told them dry? Alright. Are you finished with the top then? Of course, I fine with it. You think me go through all this stress with both of you if me not been want see the best for you? I know you love me. There's no doubt. And me not care what other people say about it. I care for both of you. Not in the same way, but you both mean a lot to me. I want the best for you. And if that mean I have share, then I don't mind having to share with my best friend. I want you both to be happy. And it go make me happy to know that both of you does make each other happy when me not there around. You're welcome. Also, me finish with your foot. What you think? Me not no artist, but me do know how to use a brush, cutie. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Got me do your fingernail next? Good point. Alright then. You go do me hand them for now. So, how you going to talk to them? No. We going to talk about it because me not going to leave this island and trust both of you if you talk it out by yourselves again. You both are play games with each other. And me not going to watch it. Nama. Yeah, me love you. A lot. And that means, as your man, me not going to let you go about all of this and miss your shot with him. If I have to be the bully to get you to listen, then so be it. As long as you get it done. Me being a taskmaster is why I have my job. Don't forget that. Glad you don't know. Yeah? Be glad to be back too. I've been missed the sea and seeing all the green. But I also been missed just this. To feel your hands on me. Not even just in a sexual kind of way, but just the charge me just get whenever I get to be around you. No joke, cutie. I miss this. Yeah. Which is why me been want ask if you want come back with me abroad. It's not going to be a problem. You've been paying for your passport and visa them like I said. Yeah? Good. Then, yeah, all set. Let me take you away from here. Nothing a day here for anybody. Things only get more expensive. People can't buy proper food. And people are struggle to get by every day. Of course, we go take Percy with us. We're not gonna split everybody up like that. We go always go and see what the ruins down there about. We get time. But nothing they here for us. You don't have answer now. But can you think about it and tell me before I leave? That's alright with me. You done? Hey, he's pretty and thing. Because see why Percy does let you thing in here so? Pretty hands like yours that do some sweet work. I like tell me cutie when they does do a good job. Mwah. Now what we are do after that? Alright. We go let the nails them dry a bit and we go paint your hands. After so, we go cook your little thing and then we go take a shower and rest up. How does that sound? Good. Hi, I'm Mr. Laveau and I have a Patreon. If you want to support the channel, then you can check me out at patreon.com/Mr. Laveau, no space. And from there, you'll get perks such as patron decided SFW and NSFW art, NSFW audios, updates of NeXus novellas, and you'll even get your name at the end of videos under the appropriate tiers. This is all, and I hope you have a good day. Stay hydrated and make sure to take care of yourself.